Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This plane got escorted by two fighter jets. This helicopter tried to take off but failed. Luckily, no one was hurt and the pilot managed to save it. These planes flying next to each other.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you look to the right side of your aircraft, you will notice Flight 198 challenging us to a race. I've turned the fasten seatbelt sign back on because shit is about to get real.
This plane was just taking off when three F-16s rolled up and took off before them.
For those of you on the right side of the aircraft, going to get a real nice view of Flight of 4 of F-16s taking off to the west, and we'll be taking off right after them.
This helicopter refueled mid-air while carrying a Humvee. This ramp agent in San Francisco was having a good time at work.
L'achat d'Escorted en duty-free avant de déposer au comptoir de correspondance. Agents de correspondance sur les lignes internationales sont priés de contacter le personnel aussi. Ladies and gentlemen, we inform all passengers on international domestic airline that they must clear the baggage and go through police and customs.
This helicopter almost crashed, but the pilot managed to save it in the last second.
I got it on video.
This plane started sliding on ice and almost hit another plane. This is how the emergency slide on an MD-80 looks. This is the view from 70,000 feet in the air, seen from the cockpit of the U-2 spy plane. And that's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also follow me on social media for even more content. And I will see you guys in the next video.